Hello everyone, I welcome you to our channel Affairs 247X. So let's discuss current affairs of past 1 week, that is from 2 to 7 July 2021. So here's your first question. Recently the name of Jhansi railway station of UP has been changed to what? Your options are Ataria railway station, Ankar railway station, Ambha railway station and Rani Lakshmibai railway station. Your correct answer is Rani Lakshmibai railway station. Your question number 2 is who will be the second woman of Indian origin to fly in space? Options are Shisha Bandla, Reena Kumari, Saili Dhumal, and Roshni Chanappa. So your correct answer is Shisha Bandla. Question number third. Who has written the book named Nathuram Godse, The True Story of Gandhi's Assassin? Your options are Salman Rushdie, Amitabh Ghosh, Dhaval Kulkarni, and Arundhati Roy. Your correct answer is Dhaval Kulkarni. Question number 4. Who has recently been included in the list of 2021 Great Immigrants nominated by Carnegie Corporation? Correct answer is Geeta Gopinath and Kamlesh Lula. Your fifth question. The cricket team of which country has become the team that lost the most ODI matches? Your options are Australia, America, Sri Lanka and South Africa. Your correct option is Sri Lanka. Question number 6. Who has been named as flag bearer of the Indian contingent in Paralympics? Your options are Corley Peters, Owen Pick, Meena Rai, Mariappan Thangavelu. Correct answer is Mariappan Thangavelu, who has been named as a flag bearer of Indian contingent in Paralympics. Question number 7. Recently, who has started crop insurance awareness campaign? So options are Narendra Singh Tomar, Giriraj Singh, Prahlad Singh Joshi, and Nitin Gadkari. Your correct answer is option number A, and that is Narendra Singh Tomar. Let's move towards question number 8. Where has the country's first movable freshwater tunnel aquarium been established recently? Your options are Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, and Bangalore. The correct answer is Bangalore. Recently, who has written the book Growing Up Bidden? Options are Valerie Bidden, Salman Rushdie, Amitabh Ghosh, Arundhati Roy. Your correct answer is Valerie Bidden. Let's move towards question number 10. Recently, who has been selected for the 2021 Airline of the Year honor? Your options are Singapore Airline, Vistara Airline, Go Air Airline, and Korean Air. So your correct answer is option number D, and that is Korean Air. Question number 11. Which Indian film has recently won the Best Short Film award at the Frameline Festival? Your options are Sheer Korma, Ahalya, Kirti, Afterglow. Your answer is Sheer Korma. This Indian film has recently won the Best Short Film award at the Frameline Festival. Your question number 12. Which state government has recently launched YSR insurance scheme? Options are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and West Bengal. Correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Recently, who has become the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Options are Pushkar Singh Dhami, Uddhav Thackeray, Mamta Banerjee, R. N. Bishnoi. Correct option is option number A, and that is Pushkar Singh Dhami. Question number 14. What is the name of the first Indian Navy athlete to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics recently? Your options are N.S. Nadar, R.N. Ravi, M.P. Jabir, and T.N. Ravi. Your correct option is option number C, and that is M.P. Jabir. Let's move towards question number 16. Recently, who has been appointed as its CFO by the Boeing company? Options are Brian West, Teru Go, Isaac Leran, Jean Pascal. Your correct option is option number A, that is Brian West. Question number 17. With which country has India recently exchanged the list of prisoners? Your options are America, South Africa, Netherlands, and Pakistan. So answer is Pakistan. Question number 18th. Recently, who has become the new DGP of Uttar Pradesh Police? Options are Sanjay Pandey, Mukul Goyal, Damodar Gautam Sawant, and Ashok Kumar. So your option number B is Mukul Goyal. Question number 19th. Recently, which country's arm has included China's made BT-4 battle tanks in its arsenal? Options are America, South Africa, Netherlands, Pakistan. Again, the answer is Pakistan. Question number 20. Which country topped in the recently released Arton Capital Passport Index? Options are Germany, Pakistan, America, South Africa. Your options are, and your answer is option number A, that is Germany. Recently, which country has been declared malaria free by WHO? Options are China, Pakistan, America, and South Africa. So the correct answer is option number is China. China has been declared right now malaria free by WHO, World Health Organization. Question number 22. Recently, who has become the Director General of All India Radio? Options are Ashwani Lohani, then N. Venuddha Reddy, then Surjit Singh Deshwal, and Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Correct answer is option number B, N. Venuddha Reddy. Question number 23rd. Recently, who has become the new Deputy Chief of Indian Air Force? Option are N. Venuddha Reddy, Ashwani Lohani, Vivek Ram Chaudhary, Surjit Singh Deshwal. Correct option is Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Vivek Ram Chaudhary became the new Deputy Chief of Indian Air Force. Question number 24. Recently, who has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster of Indian origin? Option are Abhimanyu Mishra, N. Venuddha Reddy, Ashwani Lohani, Sujit Singh Deshwal. So your option is Abhimanyu Mishra. Abhimanyu Mishra became the youngest new ever chess grandmaster of Indian origin. Let's move towards question number 25th. Who has recently won the Best Film in Biography award at the Toronto International Women Film Festival 2021? Your correct answer is Decoding Shankar. Decoding Shankar recently won the Best Film in Biography Award at the Toronto International Women's Film Festival 2021. Question number 26. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Cyber Security Index 2020? Options are 9th, 7th, 10th, 8th. So India being ranked 10th in the recently released Global Cyber Security Index 2020. Question number 27th. Who has recently become first Indian female golfer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics? And your answer is Aditi Ashok. Aditi Ashok recently became first Indian female golfer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympics. Question number 28. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? Your options are 8th, 7th, 6th, 20th. Correct answer is 20th. Question 29. Who has been appointed as the new president of an Indian Federation of Human Association recently? Your options are Aditi Ashok, Shambhunath Srivastava, N. Venuddha Reddy, and Ashwani Lohani. So correct answer is Shambhunath Srivastava. Now your last question is recently who has become the first female cricketer to get a dope ban? Options are Anshula Rao, Shambhunath Srivastava, Aditi Ashok, and Venuddha Reddy. Correct answer is option A, that is Anshula Rao. So these are your current affairs of past 1 week. And yes, please do subscribe to our channel Affairs 247X. Here you will be getting all the latest current affairs and all the important current affairs which will be the part of your examination. So do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and do not forget to follow us on Instagram. There you will just search Affairs 247X. You will be getting a channel. You will also get hell lot of steps in that channel too. Till that, we'll meet tomorrow. Stay healthy, stay fit. Goodbye. Thank you.